Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Do you have something made out of leather that you want to make sure doesn't get ruined because of rain or moisture? Well, I got this absolutely gorgeous new bag that was made out of suede, and I unfortunately dropped a little bit of coffee on it, and I noticed that it actually made a mark. So I quickly picked up a bottle of this Nikwax, Nubuck, and suede proof spray. This not only waterproofs your leather, but it helps to maintain the texture as well. And that was something that I didn't want to sacrifice because I love the way that this purse feels. I did test just one of the back sides of the straps to make sure that it wasn't going to stain or anything like that. And at first I was like, oh no, it's changing the color and the texture. But as soon as it dried, it looked exactly like it was supposed to. So I went ahead and did the entire purse to protect it. And as soon as it dried, I could see that it looked just like it did when I first got it. Don't take the chance that something is going to get on your leather goods and make them look spotty or ruin them. Protect them with this waterproofing spray from Nikwax, and that's my point of view.